And we had this breaking news last hour, the FBI releasing a statement now blaming North Korea for the Sony attack. Brent Lang, senior film and media reporter with Variety, and Mark Lanier, trial attorney, join us now. And Brent, what do you make of this latest news?
Well, it's absolutely stunning. It's the kind of thing that you would expect to find in a movie. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the kind of Hollywood ending we've been getting accustomed to. It looks like the bad guys won in this particular case.
How badly hurt is Sony?
Oh, it's going to lose tens of millions of dollars. On the interview alone, the loss could be about $75 million. Then you have to take into account the tens of millions in potential legal liabilities that Sony faces and in restoring their cybersecurity network there.
And the legal liabilities, what do you make of how big this could go?
Well, Tom, I think the biggest legal concern, if I'm Sony's counsel.
Have you sued Sony?
I've not sued Sony.
No, okay.
No, I've not sued Sony. But I might on this one. I mean, what they did is outrageous. Think about the people who invested in that film. Think about the actors that have points in that film, the producers, the directors who contract based upon the idea that they're going to make something off of it. And Sony just pulls it for not just no reason, but for appalling reasons, in my opinion.
As far as products go, Brent, there's PlayStation 4, there's Sony TVs, there's all kinds of electronic products that a lot of people have bought the Sony label in the past. Are they going to?
Well, that's a great question there. Obviously, I think the brand took a hit here, particularly if you're a technology company, which Sony largely is. To have this kind of violation certainly raises some troubling questions. In terms of greenlighting that film, in Sony's defense, this is North Korea here. I mean, if we're really that offended, if we're really that worried about offending North Korea with our Hollywood comedies, I think there's a problem.